Okay guys, today we're making some fun paper sculptures. We're doing this for our last day of art before we switch over to art camps. This is just something fun and different that I thought you guys might like, okay? So you're gonna get a big black square of paper, okay? And we're gonna set this to the side for right now. This is gonna be our base. But first, we need to work with our little papers, and I'm gonna show you how to make a certain type of fold called a kite fold, okay? All right, so here's my kite fold on this orange piece. So all you have to do, it's really simple. All you have to do is fold, you hold it like it's a diamond, and you fold it up like this, and you crease it in half like that so that you have like a triangle, okay? Then I'm gonna open it up and lay it down, and I'm gonna make these pieces fold to the center line. And that is called a kite fold, okay? Now you can leave it like this and that'll be good, and it can lay like this, okay? Or you can turn it into a paper airplane by folding it down the other way, like backwards, and opening these. And then look, you've got a little tiny paper airplane. How cool is that? Now do not throw your paper airplanes, okay? We might let you throw one of them at the end, but don't throw them right now, okay? So kite fold, it's laying flat like this. Paper airplane, it looks like this. So everybody grab one. We're gonna pause it. Everybody grab one and we'll try folding one together, okay? All right, so we're gonna hold it like it's a diamond, and we're gonna fold the two ends together, and we're gonna crease it up the middle. So we have a triangle, right? Okay. Then what you're gonna do is open it back up, and you're gonna fold it to the middle and crease that. And these pieces that I'm working with are pretty small. I'm gonna see what a slightly bigger piece looks like for you guys, but we might keep them small. Okay, so I've got some kite folds and I've got these. Now, what are we gonna do with these, you ask? I'm gonna show you in just a second, and you'll have an example in the studio. Okay, I don't have my example done. So we're gonna make a paper sculpture. So what I want you to do is make about 10 of these, okay? And you don't have to decide whether you want them to be a little paper airplane or whether you want them to be this yet. Just go ahead and get them kite folded like these, and then you can flip them and do this if you want to later, okay? So I'm gonna do probably about 3 orange, I'll do 3 pink, and I'll do 3 blue. So that's 9. And then I might do a couple of these yellowy green ones. And then we'll come back and I'll show you what we're gonna do with them. So do a few of each color so you have them to choose from, okay? Go do that and then we'll come back. Okay, so I have all my kite folds done for now. I might need to do some more in a little bit, but what we're gonna do with our black paper, you're gonna set whatever you have done to the side, and we're gonna fold our black paper in half. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the middle. We wanna start in the middle on this and work our way out. So I'm gonna fold it in half this way, and then I'm gonna fold it in half this way. And that will take me to the middle. So now I know where my middle is. Okay, so I can use these however I want. I'm just gonna lay them on here without gluing them at first, and you probably wanna do the same thing. Lay them on, don't glue them yet, okay? You can do stuff like this. Remember, if you want it to be a paper airplane, you're gonna turn it backwards like this, and then you're gonna fold these up and you get this cool paper airplane, and those give you some different dimensions, okay? So I could do like these kite folds flat here, and then I could do the orange paper airplanes in between, okay? But our design is gonna be radial, meaning it starts in the middle and it works its way out, okay? You can also layer these like this. The paper airplanes can also layer. So like this one can go on top of this one, like that, okay? So you kind of have to just play with them for a minute and see if you can find a design you like. And then we're gonna glue some of them down at a time. So I'm gonna glue this one down right here so that it lines up with that. And then I'm gonna glue this one down right here. remember, we're starting in the middle. It's radial balance. That means circular. So we're going to start in the middle and we're going to work outwards. 3. And this one I turned into a paper airplane, but I can also flip it back and do this. 4. If it's not sticking properly, you might have to hold it for a second. Okay, so there's those. Now, I think I'm going to use, I like the height of the orange ones. So I'm going to take these orange ones and put those in between. And what you'll do is you just put your glue on the orange like that, okay? And then as you get your design going, you keep going outwards and doing it how you want to, and you just glue it down as you go. Isn't that cool? And you can do it however you want. And it's supposed to just be something fun, okay? Just something fun for one of our last art classes before summer. So I'm not gluing these down, but I want you to see how the kite versus and how you can make a design and how they can like layer and stuff like that. And that looking cool already, and I'm not even close to done, okay? So you're gonna fold up your papers, whatever colors you want, and then once you get your papers where you want them or whatever colors you want, you might have to fold more, that kind of stuff. But then you can start gluing them down where you want them, okay? And we're just gonna use Elmer's glue, and you just put it on the bottom of the piece of paper, then put it where you want it, on the bottom of the piece of paper, and then where you want it, okay? They're gonna be really cool and really fun. And again, if they're not sticking very well, just hold them down for a minute. And then you get to take them home today when you're done, all right? All right, I can't wait to see all of your really cool designs. And I hope to see all of you this summer.